In Malmö and in the region Skåne and the Sound region, we need a new conference and congress venue. We are going to build that here in Malmö. That will be located just in the city center, in a very marvelous place close to the channel. And it's very close to the Kastrup International Airport. You reach it with about 15 minutes by train, and the train station is just exact outside the congress and conference event. This will be a very important part for the tourism industry in this part of Sweden, and this is a booming part, and we have a very strong research department also in the city of Lund and also in the Copenhagen area.
2 years ago, we won this competition to do the new concert hall for the city of Malmö, together with a congress center and a hotel. And what was very evident for us from the very beginning was that we didn't want to do a concert hall with a conference center, a hotel. Rather, we wanted to do this as a unifying building, one building to serve the whole city. We started sort of to look at how the relationship between this building and the surrounding city would be. North of the building, you have the University Island with all the students living there. If you move further, you have the new central station with the city tunnel, actually linking the city to the airport of Kastrup in Copenhagen. It only takes around 15 minutes to go there. So it sort of becomes the gate to the rest of Europe and the rest of the world. Moving further on south of the city, you have the old medieval part of the city with all the busy streets, the shopping areas, and actually where the natural center of the city is today. Then there's the old castle, and finally the areas of the Western Harbor, which are sort of the new urban development of the city. So the site was very specific because it sort of sits itself perfectly in the center of these very unique situations in the city. Therefore, we wanted to design a building without any front side or any back side. So what we did was actually to lift up the whole lobby floor, serving the different concert halls, allowing the street level to be totally open and have a free passage all the way through. We started to look at all the different colors of Malmö. It has sort of a very unique color scheme. Actually comes all the way from when it was a Hansastad, a German harbor city. And we sort of picked up on those color schemes, and actually each building, they're going to be connected by the material, but they are going to have like different shades of color. So it's going to be like whitish, reddish, yellowish colors, all reflecting sort of the union colors of the city of Malmö. When you look at the surrounding area, then another key point for us is that we actually take sort of the pavement of the street level, and we take the same pavement and move it all the way in through the building. So actually you have the safe pavement outside and inside, sort of to erase or wash out the borders between what is inside and what is outside. When you enter the building, we wanted to create more or less the same atmosphere that you would experience going through a European medieval city. So we took sort of all the lobby space, and we, instead of having it just in front of the house, we sort of smeared it all around the different entities, creating sort of a series of streets and alleys and squares and plazas inside the building. So actually, even though you're not going to a concert, there's a place to discover. You can go in, you can move up, you turn a corner, and suddenly the room is 20 meters high. Then you pass underneath something low, and you create a totally different atmospheres. So sort of the concert hall, the congress hall, the flexible hall, the hotel will more or less sort of form the buildings inside the building, and then you have like this whole public realm passing around the buildings where life will take place, sort of both on ground floor, but also on the different levels, and be evident for everybody.
This is a great investment both for Skanska and the city of Malmö. Apart from the hotel, congress and concert center, we will develop new homes and new offices. The city of Malmö is a great partner for us, since we both value sustainable and green solutions. This is a very exciting and complex project for us, and together with the city of Malmö, we will definitely make Malmö more attractive as a city.